Let's dive in. Create a device-free adventure box. Imagine a treasure chest filled with mystery and excitement. That's what your adventure box will be. Fill it with items like disposable cameras, map-making supplies, and clues for a backyard scavenger hunt. The key is to make it so intriguing that your kids can't resist exploring. Now, I know what you're thinking. My kids won't fall for that. But trust me, the novelty factor is huge here. The challenge, keeping it fresh. Try rotating items weekly or involving your kids in creating new adventures. Start a family maker challenge. Time to unleash those creative juices. Set up a space with craft supplies, recycled materials, and basic tools. Then, issue weekly challenges like build a robot or design a new board game. The best part? No fancy skills required, just imagination. This not only keeps hands busy, but also boosts problem-solving skills. The tricky part might be finding space for all those masterpieces. But hey, that's a good problem to have. Implement Green Hour daily. This one's simple but powerful. Every day, rain or shine, spend an hour outdoors. It could be in your backyard, a local park, or even just a walk around the block. The key is consistency and making it non-negotiable. You might face some resistance at first, especially from older kids, but stick with it. The benefits of fresh air and physical activity are worth the initial struggle. Host a no-tech talent show. Turn your living room into a stage and let the performances begin. Encourage singing, dancing, magic tricks, or any non-digital talent. The catch? Everyone in the family has to participate. Yes, even you. This not only provides entertainment, but also boosts confidence. Worried about stage fright? Start small with just immediate family, then gradually invite friends or extended family to join in. Alright, awesome parents. There you have it. 4 fantastic ways to break the device spell. Remember, consistency is key, and don't be afraid to get silly with your kids. They'll follow your lead. Share your experiences or other device-free ideas in the comments below. Let's build a community of screen-free fun together.